Hey everybody, it's Chris Load here. In this screencast, I'm going to show you a little trick in Excel called Smart Filling, which allows us to separate words that are in a column into, in this case, I can separate these names into columns for first and last name. So here we go. I've got the list of all the Canucks in alphabetical order by position and last name. I'm going to type in the first name, Brock. I hit return, and then I use Control E to smart fill. And what it'll do is it will just take the first name from the rest of these cells and plunk it into this list. And then I can do the same for the last name. Put Besser in here, hit return, and then Control E. So smart filling will almost duplicate what you are attempting to do with the information. Now you'll notice down here, Oliver Ekman-Larsson, it didn't give me Ekman-Larsson for his last name. So there'll be the odd exception where this doesn't work if the pattern is broken. Another thing that you can do with smart filling, for instance, is, I'm going to do this one here where you can go 1, 2, 3, and then I'm not sure if you need to do 3, but I'm just going to fill down, or I'm just going to drag this down, and you'll notice that it is now numbering all of these, so it gives me those consecutive numbers. Then what I could do is I could go here and I could put 1 Brock Besser, hit return, hit Control E, and that will put a number in front of each of these players' names if I wanted to do that. So we can separate names, and we can also combine cells. And the smart filling will just simply follow the pattern that you're using. So that's Control E for smart filling. There you have it. Hopefully this will help you with data on your spreadsheets. Thanks for listening and have a good day.